Assalamualaikum student. We are going to learn Standard 7 Chapter 1 The Living World Adaptation and Classification. In first part of our chapter we are going to focus on adaptation. Adaptation means a gradual change occur in the body part and also in the behavior of living organisms which helps them to adjust to their surrounding. Such changes are called adaptation. In our today's lecture, we are going to focus on adaptation in desert plants and animals. Deserts receive very little rainfall, because of which they have very little water, and that too deep underground. In spite of such scarcity of water, deserts do have plants and animals. Are you wondering how these plants and animals survive in a desert region? These plants and animals have special adaptation which helps them to survive in such dry condition of a desert. Let us discuss about the adaptation in a desert plant by considering cactus as an example. Desert plants are either leafless or their leaves are modified into needle or have been modified into thorns. Here student, you can see in a cactus plant the leaves are modified into spines or thorns. As a result, they lost very little water by evaporation. So if the leaves are modified into thorns, how will they prepare their food? They prepare their food with the help of stem. Here you can see the stems are green in color. That means they have chlorophyll. So as they have a chlorophyll, they will perform photosynthesis process, and due to which they prepare their food. Here the stems of cactus plants are thick and fleshy. Why these stems are thick and fleshy? Because they hold water and food. Their stems are also covered with waxy substances, and the root of a cactus plant are deeply penetrate into ground, and sometimes they spread away in the soil in search of water. Such modifications are found in most of a desert plant, which helps them to survive in an extremely dry condition. Let us now discuss about adaptation in desert animal. To understand adaptation in desert animal, let's take an example of camel. Camels are also called as a sheep of desert. They have a very thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and a cushioned sole. This helps them to walk easily on sand and keep body high above the hot sand. The nostrils of camels are protected by many folds of skin, which helps them survive in a sandstorm. Their eyelashes are long and thick, which keep sand out of their eyes and protect their eyes. These adaptations in camel help them to survive in a desert region. In our today's lecture, we have discussed about adaptation in cactus. Leaves of a cactus plant reduces to spine to reduce water loss through transpiration. Fleshy and a thick stem to store water and perform photosynthesis. Waxy coating on a stem to retain water. Roots of a cactus plant penetrate deep into the soil and spread away into the soil in search of water. We have also discussed about adaptation in camel. Camel have a thick skin to prevent loss of water. Their legs are long with flat and a cushioned sole to walk easily on sand. Nostrils are protected by the folds of skin. and eyelashes are long and thick. I hope you understand adaptation in plants and animal. For next part, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.